I'm Rohit Garg. I'm founder of BotPenguin. BotPenguin is a powerful AI-based communication automation platform for businesses to automate their communication on WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, Instagram, and website. Businesses can capture leads in CRM, provide customer support using AI, book appointments in the calendar to collect orders for e-commerce and marketing automation. BotPenguin offers AI capabilities and 80 plus integrations with various tools, including CRMs, ticketing systems that offers businesses high level of automation. BotPenguin has a global presence in 193 plus countries with 150 plus partners and 20 plus active user base on the platform. BotPenguin is an official Meta business partner and has been honored to be invited for showcasing our product to the Meta global leadership team. BotPenguin has a vision to become a global brand in communication automation for chat, voice, and video. Right now, we are focusing on chat. Going forward, we are going to add voice and video as well.